Ready to go to the drive-in movie theater?
Right now?
Yeah.
Yay!
We aren't finished cleaning up, but we have to go.
Okay.
Because we want to get good seats. I don't know if it's even possible to get really good seats, but we'll see. So we're going to the drive-in movie theater, and we got the ticket for free. It might be really crowded, or it might not be. So let's bring stuff that we can do inside the car while we wait. So we have dinner ready, and do you want to bring like comic books or something?
Yeah.
Okay, the manga持ってく? The drive-in movie theater that we're going to go to today is sort of in the middle of nowhere. So I'm going to show my online ticket to the staff person there. We're a little early, like 30 minutes early.
My mom is showing the ticket.
Oh.
Okay, you are good. Just go ahead and drive up, and then you make a left, and they'll tell you where to park. You just got to center your vehicle to a blue cone.
Okay.
Okay, have fun.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I see blue cones. Can I park anywhere? No. Oh, there's a person there, so I have to go over there. It says remain inside vehicle, and so we're not supposed to get out unless we need to go use the restroom. We still have time before the movie starts, but I think we should have dinner now. Tenta, we're gonna have dinner. Yugohan, yugohan. We're having yakisoba, which I prepared at 3 p.m. because we had a full packed day. Where did you go, Rena?
I went to my friend's house.
Yeah, Rena was at her friend's house, and then Kento had a friend over. We had a play date. Anyways, we're having dinner. Yakisoba with some veggies and some meat.
Really good.
Really good. Thank you. There's not too many cars. The parking lot isn't that big, so that's why it was so hard to get tickets. We're trying for like 20 minutes on maybe 4 devices. My cell phone and iPad and Rena's MacBook and my MacBook. So 4 devices all at once, and we can only get 1 ticket. All during Kento's distance learning. We are lucky. We're all ready to watch the movie. Kids are gonna sit in the front. And we have our radio too. So we're gonna tune it to, I think it's 103.1. And we have our snacks ready and our glow necklaces. Just to make this more fun.
Can I
Right?
open?
You can open it, but don't break it yet because it's not, it's still bright. The movie started, it's the previews. It's 6 p.m. and it's still bright out.
Maybe bring that.
This is pretty nice. It's a good idea we got a radio. The kids are really into the movie. The good part about driving movies is that you can eat anything and you can talk as much as you want. If you have a radio, the sound quality is pretty good. Now we have our windows down because it's a little too hot in the car. Kids have the best seat, and I have a pretty good seat too. I took off the headrest. The big cars are in the back, but there's some kids who have the top part of the car open and they're watching from there. That's pretty cool. Our car is pretty old, but it's big. And at times like this, it's nice having a big car. We can eat comfortably and we can sort of lay down. And I was worried about the engine, so I decided to get a radio, and I think that was a really good decision. We're watching Onward, which is a movie we saw in the movie theaters a long time ago. How was the movie? Good? Yeah, it was fun. We watched Onward, and next week is supposed to be Frozen and Frozen 2. Do you want to come next week too?
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll see. I'll try really hard to get our tickets. Kenta, was it fun? I think the glow sticks are pretty cool. Okay, let's hit the road. Let's go back home.
Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.